Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu on Roku TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Hulu on your Roku TV, start by turning on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen on your Roku. Scroll down to the Streaming Channels option on the left menu. Select Search Channels in the Streaming Channels section. Type in Hulu using your remote's keypad. Once you find the Hulu app, select it from the search results. Choose the Add Channel option to install the Hulu app on your Roku. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Highlight the Hulu channel on your home screen. Press the OK button on your remote to launch the Hulu app. When prompted, select Login to access your account. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create one. You can log in using your email and password or choose to log in with a free activation code. If you choose the activation code, a unique code will be displayed on your screen. Now, go to a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit www.hulu.com/activate to enter the activation code. Log into your Hulu account if necessary, and enter the code in the provided field. Click Activate to link your Roku TV with your Hulu account. Return to your Roku TV, and you should now be logged into Hulu automatically. Explore and enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.